How to find the Wi-Fi password of your Brother printer, that is the HL-L2465DW. Well, to do so, let's go on the control panel, press the menu button, press the down arrow over here until you get to network. See, network, press OK. Go down, select Wi-Fi direct, press OK. You're going to select manual, press OK. And usually if Wi-Fi direct is turned on, you're going to see this display that will pass like this until you see PASS. This is the password. It doesn't appear, it doesn't stay on the display much time, so you have to take note of whatever is written over here, but this is your Wi-Fi direct password. You may have to turn on Wi-Fi direct by pressing this top arrow if it's asking you.